Hello everyone, so today I will show you how to select in AutoCAD, how to make the selection in AutoCAD, okay, and how many way you can select a portion of AutoCAD of a drawing in AutoCAD. So simply the first type of selection is from left to right. So you just click in left corner and click on the right corner. In this way you can select, but you can see when I am selecting from left to the right portion, you need to select the total drawing. But if you want to select from right to left, you click on the right portion and click on the left portion. It shows green, that means green and blue. What does it mean? Look, I am selecting this portion by from left to right, okay, so in blue screen. So basically the portion it will be selected is the single line. That means when you are selecting from left to right, you need to select the total portion of the drawing, okay. So you can see this line is selected totally, that's why it is selected. But if you select the same thing from right to left, look, this line is already in the this drawing is already in the green portion, but these two lines are not totally inside the selection, but as it is partially inside the selection, so it is totally selected. So now you can understood the difference between the right to left and left to right selection, okay. Thank you.